Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to do the blindfold challenge, which one of my Alright. Hey guys, welcome back to welcome back to my YouTube channel. What else to say? Okay, hold on, wait. Hey you guys, welcome back to I'm trying to be serious. Hold on. Okay, come on.
I'm not even supposed to be talking.
Okay, I know. Hold on. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have recently asked my followers what should I do for my next vlog, and they said do someone's makeup blindfolded. So here we are. And this is my model today, okay. Felicity. You can follow her at
Elena_. Oh shit. We're gonna put it down there.
Okay, we just gonna drop it because clearly we cannot talk today.
We ain't got it.
Okay. One more thing. I tried to be prepared, but I'm not. I didn't have a blindfold and I was trying to go get one, but then I forgot when I was in the store. So today we're just gonna use we're gonna improvise because this video needs to get done today, and that's just period. Okay. All
you
right.
Can use your no.
We're not using that, but okay. All right, we're gonna be back. We're just gonna use this jacket because it's raining today, but you know, hopefully this works. And also, you guys, I did not set anything up. We're just gonna do this. We're just gonna feel, you know, just do, because that's what I do. Hold on, wait, maybe, are you allowed to cape yourself up? Because I don't think I'm gonna do that.
Yeah.
Okay, as long as you can do that, okay, we're good.
I don't want to, just gotta be straight.
It's okay. They're already just.
Am I supposed to wrap it in like this, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Y'all, looks like.
And I can't see at all. Like, everything's dark.
Yeah, she can't see.
Okay.
Hold on. I'm gonna at least open this up for her.
Who?
Good, what you call it? Because you ain't gonna be able to see that.
The palette.
Yeah.
That's the point.
You know,
I ain't
rock
even
out.
gonna see what color I'm gonna put on you.
I was gonna at least have it open so whatever.
Is it recording?
Yes.
Okay.
Look, y'all, she gonna be putting this on by myself.
I just think you don't want to mess up anything. Make sure your hair is behind your ears.
Okay, you ready?
Uh-huh.
Alright.
Okay, hold on, wait. I gotta feel. Okay, these your eyebrows. Okay. That's what we're gonna start with. Oh, what did I just put my hand in?
Y'all.
Wait, what did I just put my hand in? Oh, what is that?
That was the concealer. You still touching it.
Shit.
Hold on, we're gonna get you some makeup wipes and get you right.
See, look. Can they see this?
Move over a little bit. Putting in the concealer, y'all.
I already messed it up. Okay.
Whoever picked this one, y'all can give sis like a.
I feel like a baby. You know how you get done eating and your mama got to wash your hands?
You know, keep your hands out your shit.
Okay.
Alright.
Eyebrow pencil.
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
You're not supposed to be in my eye.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, she look.
Ooh. Alright. Hold on, wait. Add a brush.
It's a brush.
Ow! Where did this brush?
My damn forehead.
Oh, sorry. Wait. Oh.
Cut.
She's not letting me. Okay, hold on, wait. Hold on. Okay, hold on, wait.
What you looking for?
Oh. Did I move the camera?
No, it's cool. You just put your hands in it. Y'all see this? Oh, hurt.
Stop laughing.
Okay.
Stop laughing. Am I doing good?
Mm-hmm. Oh my god. Period.
Yeah. Okay. Got the concealer on. Looking for the eyeshadow palette.
Eyebrows is, they just there.
Am I rubbing it on you?
Bitch, I'm trying to keep this one eye closed while you trying to do it. Jordan is thinking very smoky today. Oh shit. I have my eye open.
See?
Okay, I had the wrong eye open. Okay. How you feel up top and you all the way down there? And my thing fell. Hold on. Yeah, whoever picked this, y'all went out sad. Y'all. You got me looking like I'm about to be The Walking Dead.
Okay. Eyeshadow's done. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna do lashes just because it involves glue and I don't want to. Oh. I don't want to mess that up.
Yo.
Alright, foundation.
Girl, you went crazy.
I'm doing good.
Mm-hmm.
Did you just open your mouth?
Girl, what the hell? Yeah.
They fucking hard. Alright, I gotta do concealer. I need to start doing makeup like this.
I look ugly as hell.
Oh, don't say that.
Okay. You trying?
You gotta make the contour.
Girl, you contouring alright.
Who is it?
I don't know who this is. Hold on. We got visitors. She must
You
be
need your makeup. You need your makeup.
Wait.
Hi, hello. Hi, I was wondering how much you charge for hair.
We don't do hair.
Oh, okay, just makeup?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Thank you. You're welcome.
She probably like,
She probably gave up
that makeup shit. What the fuck is that?
She ain't know she going no down here. Ain't nothing in here looking like it's here. Yeah. Got more minute.
All right. Now I gotta find the contour in the.
Girl, you know your shop.
Huh?
I said that's one thing I give you. You know your shop.
I know. I said 1, 2, 3, huh?
Oh no.
Am I contour?
Girl, you're blushing.
Oh shit. Well, it's too late.
Oh, that's my hair. Right? Okay.
Right here.
Right there. Y'all. Next one gotta be she gotta do a beat face or something. Cause this ain't
it.
This ain't it.
Don't say
Girl,
that. I
look
can't
like,
see.
I look like my damn hair. Highlights.
Okay, I gotta wait.
Oh, I'll be a fine dark skin though. I'm not even supposed to use. Don't even know.
Is this highlight?
Yeah, I guess so. You know, no. Wait, that's not the normal one I be knowing you use. I guess.
It's not.
Yeah. Okay. We want this to be extra shiny. Oh Lord. Dang.
Okay.
Okay.
Now I gotta do lip.
What lip should we do?
I'm gonna pick up something. I can't see.
That's your foundation.
Oh.
Now you break it.
Oh Jesus.
Let me sit down. Lord.
Oh.
You had the lipstick. What are you doing?
I'm good.
You wasn't feeling that color?
I don't know.
You get it? Feeling that color?
I'm trying to feel.
Okay,
Is that your teeth?
Mm-hmm. this color. Go ahead. I think I got enough. Oh, it's enough.
Okay. Is this the nude? I kind of get
like
nude.
a pink nude. You're not even. Go over here. Down. Look, a little bit over. Up here. Right. No. Right there. Scoot it over.
Okay.
There you go. So now she's spraying his stomach. Tell me when you about to spray.
I'm about to spray.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Oh snap! I can't see.
Go. Yep.
Oh.
Yep.
Beat.
Okay. Period. Now take it off so you can see the room. Look, this your work. I'm dark and light. That's why I said look at my hair.
Oh. What did I do?
First of all, you pick
Hold
up
on, wait.
this.
Zoom in. Oh my god. Hold on, wait. What the world? Y'all look at this.
Match my hair.
That is
I gotta pick
hilarious.
something else next time. This ain't gonna work. Look at my eyebrows.
Whoa. You cute, sis.
Period. Highlight.
Period.
Okay.
Period. I did that.